This is OnePlus 70. The smartphone comes with 90Hz Full HD AMOLED display, Snapdragon 855 Plus, 30W fast charger, and 48MP camera. And the smartphone launched September 2019. So the question is, should you have to buy OnePlus 70 in 2022 after 2.5 years? Find out in this video. I am SHADAT'S from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Starting with design and the build quality. So when it's come to design, I think OnePlus did a great job. The smartphone design is so good. I am basically like the camera bump. This is so beautiful and uncommon. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with aluminum frame. So overall OnePlus 70 build quality is so good. The OnePlus 70 has a really high quality 6.55 inch Full HD AMOLED 90Hz HDR10 Plus screen. Now let's talk about the processor. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU using octa-core 1 into 2.96 GHz, GPU using Adreno 640 with 8GB RAM with UFS 3.0. The phone performance is so good. All the app opening and closing speed very fast, and there is no problem performing everyday tasks such as calling, texting, browsing, watching YouTube, and things like that is handled pretty good. Now let's move on the camera section. The OnePlus 70 comes with triple camera setup, 48MP main lens with 2.6 aperture, 12MP telephoto lens with 2.2 aperture, 16MP ultra wide with 2.2 aperture with LED dual flash. And the front, the smartphone comes with 16MP selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. Main camera you can record highest 4K 60fps video, and you also record 1080, 30, 60, 120fps, 240fps and 720p 960fps super slow-mo video, and the phone video quality is so good. The OnePlus 70 camera are very good. You can get pretty good photo with a lot of details and sharpness. And at the same time you also use Gcam to take a better photo with the phone. Let's talk about the security. The smartphone comes with under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both on speed very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by 3800 mAh battery with 30W fast charger. So overall you can get almost 1 day battery backup. So overall the OnePlus 70 is still a pretty good phone, and the phone you can definitely buy in 2022. Okay, this is all about OnePlus 70 full review in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I'm SHADAT'S from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.